As fifth and sixth are same, so I will explain you the seventh example. In the seventh example, it is given that find the greatest number which divides 398, 436 and 542, leaving 7, 11 and 15 remainder respectively. So as I have told you previously also, that what you have to do, you have to subtract the number according to the order of how they have given. First number is 398 and leaving the remainder, first is 7. So 398 minus 7, that will be 391. Then 436 and 11. So 436 minus 11, so you will have 425. Then 542 and 15. So 542 minus 15, 527. So as we get the three different number, what we have to do, you have to find out the HCF of the three numbers, 391, 425 and 527. If we follow the procedure, then we get the common factor as 17. So HCF will be 17, and hence the required greater number is 17. Then for the eighth sum, a bookseller bought certain number of books for rupees 337.50 paise and sold some of them at the cost price for rupees 213.75 paise. Find the least number of books left with him. So here we have to find the least number. So least number, so there we want to find out the LCM, that we will see how to do it. Cost price for certain number of books is rupees 337.50 and cost price for sum of books are 213. So if we subtract them, then we get cost price for books left with him is rupees 123.75. So clearly the cost price for each book will be the HCF of rupees 213.75 paise and 123.75 paise. Means if we convert both of them into the numbers which doesn't have the decimal point, it means you know very well how to remove it. If you multiply both the numbers by 100, the decimal point will be removed and we will get the different number. That is, this number you will got it if you multiply it by 100, both the number individually. So you will have 21,375 and 12,375. So what we will do, we will find out the HCF. Common factor will be 3, 3. Common factor is 3, 3, 5, 5, 5. So HCF will be 1125. So least number of books left with him, we have the number that is 12,375 and we get the HCF 1125. So if we divide it, then we will get 11. So least number of books, how many books are left? 11. So next is ninth sum. Find the largest size of square tile that can be used for paving a rectangular plot 84 meter by 162 meter. Find also the number of tiles that can be needed. So it is clearly given that we have to find out the HCF for 84 and 162 meter. So we will do the short division method. We will find out the HCF. If we follow the procedure, then we get the common number, that is 2 and 3. So HCF will be 6. 6 meter tile. What we get the final answer, that is 6 meter tile is required. But we want to find out the number of tiles also. As the largest side of the square tile, it is a square definitely, so it will be 6 meter by 6 meter. So what we have to do, now we have to find out the number of tiles. So area of a plot divided by area of a square tile. So area of a plot is 84 multiplied by 162 meter square. So tile will be 6 multiplied by 6. If we do the multiplication, and it can be done in this way also, you can directly multiply the downward number and divide it. Or if you know the simple method, if you divide 84 by 6, 6 ones are 6, 8 minus 6, 2, 24, and 4s are 24. So you will have here 0. So 6 ones are 6 and 6. 14s are 24. Then you can divide 162 by 6. So 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2, 4, 0, 2, 42. So 6 7s are 42, and you will get the remainder 27. So you will get 14 multiplied by 27, and if you multiply it, you will get the final answer 378. So how many tiles are required? 378 tiles are required. In this way you have to do the 9th sub. 10th is just like the 9th, so that you will do by yourself. I will explain the 11th. 3 different containers contain 403 liter, 434 liter, 465 liter of milk respectively. Find the maximum capacity of container which can measure the milk of all the container in exact number of times. Again we have to find out the HCF. So do the procedure, find out the HCF that you know very well how to find out, and if you follow the procedure you will get the common factor 31. So your HCF is 31, and that is only your answer. The maximum capacity of container is 31 liter. Then for the 12th sum, it is given there are 527 apples, 646 pears, and 748 oranges. These are to be put in the heaps of equal quantities. Find the maximum number of fruits in each heap. How many such heaps would be formed? Again we have to find out the HCF, that is find HCF for 520, HCF for 527, 646 and 748. Follow the procedure and you will be finding here that the common factor is 17, and here it is common factor between all them are 17. So HCF will be 17. So maximum number of fruits in each heap is 17. So number of apples 527 divided by 17, you will get here 31. Number of heaps of pears 646 divided by 17, 38. The number of heaps of oranges, that is 748 divided by 17, you will get 44. So 31 plus 38 plus 44 is equals to 113. So total number of heaps formed. How many heaps will be formed? Because by 527, if we put it in 117, you will get 31 total heaps. So addition of all that will be having 113. So total number of heaps will be 113. Thank you, children.